Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of glass door design ideas for various parts of your home, including the staircase, kitchen, washroom, and laundry room. Glass doors can transform the look and feel of your space, adding elegance and functionality and a touch of modernity. Let's explore how you can incorporate these stylish elements into your home. These create a seamless look, making your staircase appear larger and more open. They are perfect for modern and minimalist interiors. Laundry rooms often get overlooked in home design, but adding glass doors can elevate their look and functionality. Glass doors in kitchens can bring in natural light and make the space feel more open and inviting. Perfect for separating the kitchen from other areas without compromising on light and space. Sliding doors are practical and stylish, offering flexibility in open plan layouts. In washrooms, glass doors can enhance the feelings of cleanliness and luxury. These create a sleek modern look and make small bathrooms appear larger. The lack of frames means fewer places for mold and grime to accumulate, making cleaning easier. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more home tips and tricks.